The dashboards only shows basic revenue numbers, but in real hospital operations, the bigger question is different. Where are the patients getting delayed? Which department is overloaded? And the quality is increasing. Hi, I'm Basil, and on this channel, I will create real world Power BI, SQL, Excel, and analytics projects that will help you build practical data analysis skills. So, in this dashboard, I converted this raw Excel file into an amazing Power BI dashboard like this. With the help of AI, I haven't tried a single code of DAX and Power Query steps. All that I did was just use the Codex, and the AI did the jobs for me. This is a 4 page and full industry grade analyst dashboard. As you can see, there are no just drag and drop features in this dashboard. They are all based on the explicit measures. So in this project, I built a complete hospital patient flow ED bottleneck command center using Power BI and AI. The first page is Executive Command Center. Here we can quickly track the total encounters, total admission, ED encounters, and average door to provider. If you don't understand this terminology, don't worry. I have provided this vocabularies in the Excel file itself. You can go ahead and read that business statements from there. So, in the second page, we have ED bottleneck analysis. We will paste average door to provided ESI level, AWS rate by shift, and the heat map of arrival shift and the encounters of the patients. And in the third page, we have a bed capacity, which is a very important KPI in the hospital level. We have a daily bed occupancy trend and average length of stay by department. This is a very common KPI in the healthcare dashboards. And we also can see admissions versus bed capacity by department. And this is the most important KPI, LOS gap versus the hospital average. And in the last page, we have a drill through page where we can see the daily admission count and the total charges and the hospital revenue by the physicians as well. And this last page is not just a page. We can use it as a drill through page, like you can go ahead and click on any visual and go to drill through and click on this. So you will see the only department wise details here. And if you want to clear this drill, just click on this control plus back, then the drill will be reset. So this is an amazing interactive dashboard that has been created by the Codex. So I will show you a step by step how to create this dashboard just using the AI. And don't worry, I will provide a detailed link in the description where which prompts I have used. And also a quick tip before starting, don't ever depend on fully on AI. You just need to know the basics of the DAX to understand what actually is happening. So don't worry, in upcoming videos we will learn how to create dashboard manually and whole step by step and what the managers really want. They don't want the fancy visuals going on, and because they do not understand, they understand the basic bars and the tables. That really matters in this dashboard is solely created on all 5 prompts that we will be using in this dashboard. So this will be the prompt 1 of the Power Query steps and the creating the data model, and prompt 2 will be of the first page that has been created by the AI, and same wise prompt 3 for the second page and prompt 4 for the third page. And final prompt will be of our all over design creation and the main charts that needs to be stay in the dashboard and some of the charts that we need to drop off the dashboard. As you can see, I have pasted the first prompt in our Codex, and now we have started the creating the PBIP file. Make sure you don't open the Power BI when the Codex is doing its job. So because it's not like the plot plus MCP that you can watch directly the plot doing the things. So Codex does the thing when you have closed Power BI desktop. Now as you can see, it has created us the output folder, tables, relationships and measures and validations also. That's what he has encountered. Now just go to the exact folder and open the Power BI file. As you can see, it is loading the data. I have fast forwarded the video just to save some time. As you can see, now it has created the data model, and it's a perfect star schema with some active and inactive relationship between the date. You can always check the relationship by clicking on this arrow, and it's all one to many relationship, not many to many. So it's a perfect modeling habit that it has created for us and a perfect model. So you can see the date key and the product key all are matching from the fact table. Let's go to the transform data and check our data types. It's exactly the same or not. So we'll go to the fact encounter table, and as you can see, the text type are text, arrival time is of the time, and date. It's a perfect, and you can see the null values. We can ignore it as the main data also consists of a null value. Name our dimension table. As you can see, there are no null values and errors in the table. That is the perfect dimensions that it has created for us, and the bed keys for the perfect data modeling. Now, after saving the file, just give the first prompt to the Codex and make sure you close the Power BI desktop. And this is the following prompt that I will be pasting in the description. So you can go ahead from and paste it from there. So this is the following prompt that you need to paste into the Codex. And and as you can see now it has started generating our page 1 visual. You can see now it has created our page 1, and now we will go to the same file and open it from the folder. So it will take a little bit time to load. And now as you can see, the page 1 has been successfully created by the Codex, and it is kind of nice. You can ignore the cluttering because there are too many visuals in the first page, and we can fix that later. But as you can see, the total charts and all the slicers are working properly in the first page. Now let's move on to the second page. Now paste the exact prompt to that I have provided in the description in the Codex, and it will create the page 2. As you can see, I have already pasted here, so it has created on the page 2. Open the same file in the Power BI, and it will redirect you to the page 2. So this is the page 2 that has been created by the Codex, and as you can see, there are so many visuals in the page 2 as well, and the important KPIs and the bar charts and the clustered bar charts. The matrix visual are a little bit difficult to understand. We will fix that manually because not everything AI can do. Now exact the same way, paste the page number 3 prompt into the Codex, and it will start working on your prompt. Now as you can see, it has started working, and after creating, just open the same file into the from the file manager and go to the page 3. As you can see, the page 3 has been created by the Codex, and the daily bed occupancy trend is a little bit of cluttered here, so we will fix that in the next prompt, and overall visuals are good. Now go ahead and paste the final prompt for our final design, and the Codex will start working on it. As you can see, it can take a little bit of time. As you can see, this is a hectic size report for 9 minutes. So open the same file, and the data will load. As you can see now, the first page now cluttering has been gone. The main visuals are only there, and the unnecessary charts and the trend chart has now been improved, and unnecessary charts has been dropped out. And this is the final dashboard that is created by the Codex. You can change the themes, fonts, add some shapes, etc. for your feasibility and for design purpose. I have added this blue theme as it matches with the hospital dataset. And to be honest, the theme really doesn't matter. The number matters the most, and the type of analysis that you are doing, not just dragging and dropping, showing the count of patients and all. This is some industry level recognized dashboard that you can post in your portfolio project as well. I will provide a free link in the description. If you like the content, make sure you like the video and subscribe and share. Thank you.